Look at my hair, guys. Just she goes for 1.8. So hello lovelies, good morning. It's a brand new day. Guys, I'm very sorry for the background noise. Like there's a road behind my house, in front, and then my neighbors at 8, it's around 7. It's early in the morning, about 7 a.m. So they are awake and I can't film in my house. My lighting, I told you guys in the last video that I don't have a good lighting system yet. So I make do of the natural lighting. Yeah, so I'm about going out. Not going out actually, traveling. I'm traveling to Bamenda to go and see my family. My niece is graduating, and trust me, if I don't go, she'll probably kill me. So I'm not feeling too well, but I have to. So I'm traveling to Bamenda for my niece graduation, and then I want to let my mom pamper me a bit. Maybe I'll get well so fast. So come with me, guys. It's going to be chaotic because actually, if you can see, I'm really tired. My eyes are puffy. My dear, they say that if you have something important to do, please don't sleep on the same day. I slept late. I slept around 2 a.m. It seems as if my body is like somebody has beaten me. Like I'm so tired, and I'm sitting on the front seat beside the driver. The driver is probably going to beat me today because it's literally not. I'm going to sleep the hell out of out of this journey. The driver just have to beat me. So I'm ready to go, guys, and it's it's a mixed feeling because I'm not really energetic, but I'm happy that I want to go and see my family. Oh, I have a hat. Actually, when I was growing up, I was a tomboy. Yeah, I was a tomboy. So yeah, I was a tomboy. No cap. My mom literally begged me to stop wearing trousers, jeans, like I should dress like a woman. And that was like, I was in lower seats. And then I was keeping low cut. My mom begged me, I have to like start doing my hair. I have to redo this hair, guy. Like, this guy is long overdue. I can feel it. So when I go to Birmingham, I'll probably do my hair. Probably. Finger crossed. God bless me with the money. So when my mom changed my last time, I forgot about my caps. I'm like, those manly things. But I still use manly perfumes anyways. So yeah, I have my cap here because I need a disguise. I have to sleep. Yeah, I have to sleep, guys. Like, if I don't do it, I'm a gonna. My perfume, you see those my neighbors. It's okay, I'll survive. I will survive for. So, how do I look? Cool, right? Bye, guys. So guys, it was the next day after arriving from Binda. So we were at the ceremonial ground. I am my elder sister for the graduation of my niece. I'm sorry, I'm not going to display her face, so pardon me. Yep. So it was very beautiful. I can tell you for a fact. This school, it's PNU. Bamenda, Fonja Street, they did so well. Like I can recommend that school to anybody. So after after we left the ceremonial ground, we came back home for something small for the family to celebrate with my niece. Guys, it was so fun. I love, 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 love. Congratulations, niece. So this was the next day. I told you guys when I was traveling to Bamenda from Yaoundé that I have to do my hair because that one was long overdue. So this is my natural virgin hair. Yeah, unrelaxed. Yeah. So my virgin hair is long, guys. I was so surprised when I did the cornrows. Guys, it's long. I like, what, really? And everybody was like telling me the last time I did this was when I was still in secondary school. Like I exposed my hair like this. I actually wore this like for days. I was so shocked that I don't ever leave my hair free, but that particular period I wore my hair like that for days before even doing this bora bora braids. And guys, don't be biased. On the 10, read this bora bora braids on me. It looks so good. I think I'm going to incorporate doing this once in a while in my I have a specific styles I do in my hair, like protective styles I do in my hair. So guys, it looked good to me. Thank you very much. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So back in Yaoundé. I'm sorry guys. Whenever I go to Bamenda, I'm really, really distracted because there's a lot to do and little time to do all those stuffs. And so I didn't really film. I didn't really film. No, it's not even like I didn't film in Bamenda. And then when I was coming back, I did not film as well. 'Cause I was so distracted. So I'm back in Yaoundé and. It's early in the morning. I came back and I'm lacking some few things in the house, so I want to head out to the market to get some few things. So come with me to the market, guys. Let's do some mini shopping, mini grocery shopping. Guys, look, you see this Bora Bora hair, this Bora Bora braids. I love, 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 love it. Look, I'm that type of person that don't like to try new things, especially on my hair. If you notice, I have for natural virgin hair. I've not relaxed my hair like ever. So no, I relaxed my hair once, but I didn't like it because since I don't like all those drumming, all those styles, I just love braids. So I kind of like went back to my virgin hair. So I'm not a person I really love braids, but I've not really tried Bora Bora hair braids because people will tell me, oh, it tangles a lot, it's a hassle, is this, is that, is that. But trust me, since I made this hair, people are just complaining for nothing because if you make a hair, there are curls, you have to like treat the curls very well. So what I did was my salonist bought me a conditioner that helps to detangle the curls. So whenever I want to go out, I just like apply on my hair and it does wonders. I'll show you. I don't know, it's kind of like my bedroom right now. It does wonders. Like it detangles your hair. Like, look at my hair, guys. Just look, it's perfect. Like, I don't know, like, look at it. It's just amazing. I just finished applying it right now, and the curls, everything is just perfect. I don't know why people complain about, oh, it tangles a lot, it tangles a lot. When you treat your pamper your hair, you're going to get the result that you want. I always tell people that you don't need to be in a rush. You want good thing, right? So you have to pamper it like a baby to get the results. Thank you very much. By the way, I'm loving my Bora Bora braids, guys. Now I'm in love with Bora Bora braids. This is my additional style to my menu. So guys, let's go. I'm going to the market. See ya. Good morning, lovely. Hope everybody is doing okay. I just want to say thank you guys for the subscribers. I've seen like some new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'm so grateful for you guys like watching. Please keep watching my videos, and for new subscribers, you're welcome to my little space of comfort. So guys, I'm about going out. I have a lot of errands to do today, and I have to pick up a parcel first. Guys, I did not update you people about the parcel I was supposed to pick up the last time that I went, it wasn't there. Guess what? That parcel got missing. Yes, a joker. They called me and told me that the parcel is missing. And that was it. No justification, nothing, no action taken. That's how That's how the parcel disappeared. So I'm about going out, and I promise you guys I'm going to show you guys the conditioner I use to detangle my bora bora braids, like the coils. As you guys can see, the coils are straight now because I just apply it. So this is the conditioner. Oh, it's too bright. It's mediana conditioner. Mediana conditioner, yeah. I don't know, it's too bright, the sunlight. Yeah, so that's it. So my salon told me that she got it for 182K. That is one, she said it's 2K, but she got it for 1.8. So yeah, I'm running out of it. It's kind of like here right now. So I have to try to see if I can see it in Yaoundé. If I don't see it in Yaoundé, I'll probably will send money so that they get it for me in Bamenda, because I have to go to Bamenda. No, I'm not going to Bamenda anytime soon. So guys, let's go. I'm running late and I have a lot to do today. Ciao, stay tuned. So guys, I got my parcel. Luckily enough, it was not missing this time around. I was so grateful. I was like very, very scared. So there's this one thing, I love dry fish. Yeah. So I got some, not to cook. I just want to eat it like that. It's so yummy, eat it like that.